Hello and welcome to my Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus keyboard repair. Now, what's happened is my keyboard does not work properly. Some keys work, can you hear? See, there's nothing happening. Like if I press, let's just show you. So if I press 2, nothing's happening. If I press 2, I'm pressing 2, nothing's happening. If I press B for border, I'm getting border. But press 2, nothing's happening. Not all the keys work. Nor does enter. So what I'm having to do is I've met someone online called Gadget UK 164. I told him about it, and he said this is on YouTube. I met him on, and he said to buy a new membrane. So I went on, and he said went on eBay. So I went on eBay, and Syntec UK makes new membranes. So this is it. So I'm going to open up this packaging, and hopefully everything will work. If I can get it out. Oh, that's it there. That's a new one there. Get the document out. I think it's quite simple, really. No, it's not instructions like that. Okay, no, that's okay. So that's just that then. Okay, so that's my other spare. I've tried to swap this keyboard onto that one, but nothing happened. So Gadget UK 164 just buy this, so I did. So I've got to thank him for that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unplug this. Take this off. And then this is a simple swap over jobby thing. So I'll have to undo these about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, 10 screws. do those ones as well. Just suddenly realised a few more screws. Whoops. More going flying everywhere. This is very simple. This is just a quick changeover, and undo these screws here. Put that there. Carefully put that there. Okay, so that's the rubber keyboard there, as you can see. Put that in there so I know that I get lost. Now this is what makes the keyboards go up and the keys go up and down. So what I need to do is take this metal plate, actually if I just put make sure this goes up the right way. So I think that's that. That's interesting. Can I do I take that cardboard bit off? Maybe I ought to. That comes off quite easily. See, that's the old one. It's quite different. That's the new one. There's quite a lot of tracks. See that there's quite these little track lines across here, but there's not as many as on this one. So I hope doesn't seem to be looks different. So I'm hoping this works as well. But let's give it. So let's put this cardboard bit on. from that way. So let's lift this up carefully. Okay, so what I've got to do is put this key back on again. Tighten up these. Be very careful. Let's just do this very carefully. Hopefully it's only like a 5-minute job. As you can see, I'm tightening up all these screws here. So that's all of them tightened up. Okay. Okay, right, so now I've got to put these little clips on here. Not sure why these clips are here for, but obviously needed them. Otherwise they wouldn't have put them there. Okay. If I've done this the right way. I scared myself. I think I've done that right. Now this is the Sinclair, don't know if you can quite read that. Sinclair ZX Spectrum 1984 issue 6A. So I've heard what they've done. The old one, the old Spectrum with the old rubber keyboard, all they've done is I'll show you in the book. So what they've done is when they upgrade, they put a better keyboard. Now I see. I think this must be. That says 1983 in the photo there. So this is. I think I've got a better chipboard because, as you can see, there's 6 chips there. They seem, which is the logic chip. These chips act as an interface with the exchange information between the CPU and the RAM. So I seem to replace them 6 chips with those ones there. Oh no, with that big one there. So replace 6 chips with 1, and that's the that chip there is the central processing unit, which is like the brains of the computer. Is the Z80 microprocessor, carry out all the computer calculations. Okay, so I think I've got a slightly better thing here, because it must be not a better version. So let's put that to one side. I'm hoping I put this in the right way around. Because it does matter, because that's, you can see the size, that's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's got about 8 or something. You see the connector where it connects in, so it matters how it goes in. Hopefully that's in. That's in, hopefully. Now, I would normally put the screws back in, but I want to test this to make sure. Let's turn the TV on. Come on, Mr. TV. Thank you. And I need to put it on about channel 6. No, I think about 8. Okay. So let's plug in the TV. Now that's the interface with the ZX microdrive and a joystick interface, but I'm not going to add that just yet, because this is if the keyboard all works, then I will add all that in a minute. So let's plug in. This is like the basics. so far. Okay, so we've got the 1982 Sinclair Research Limited thing. Okay, let's test out the keyboard. Border. Hang on, let's. Delete don't work. Why does delete not work? Oh yes, it does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, space, break, delete, delete, graphic key. Oh, the graphic key works, so I can do graphics. Yep, turn those graphics off. Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, op, press turn, yep. Extended mode, which turns it to an, let's delete, extended mode, bit of trouble in extended mode. A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, cap shift, let's do cap shift. Yeah, cap shift is working. Do caps lock, Z, caps lock is working, so Z, X, C, V, B, N, M, Z. Oh, let's take caps lock off. Let's check the other caps lock key, cap shift. Yep. Single shift. Z. Yeah. Colon. Quotes. Backward. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. The arrow keys work. Space. Up and down seem to work. Comma. Symbol shift. Extended mode. Well, anyway, you kind of get the idea. I need to have a look at the extended mode. I think I should turn an E, because so if I do, let's delete all of that. New, so I press A for new, delete. Symbol shift is stop. Excuse me. I need to have a look at the extended mode, see why that's not working, but anyway, looks like most of it's working anyway. Oh, let's show you a bit of colour. So if I do border 4, it's green. I'll need to do extended mode. Paper. Yeah. Symbol shift. Anyway, I need to anyway you kind of get the idea. So that's green, border 1 blue, blue, border 1, 2, 2. So you kind of get the idea. Both of it's working, so I might do another video. I don't know yet, but we'll see. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Bye.